Okay, so it's Frugier here again to teach you about completing the square. This is another way to solve quadratic equations. The first thing we want to do when we complete the square is get the x's to one side and move that constant term to the opposite side. So if you kind of remember from class, we did x squared plus 10x plus, and then we put a blank here, equals 11 plus a blank. And then our first step we did when we completed the square was we took half of our b term. So we're going to take half of 10, which gives us 5. And then the second step would be to square that. So 5 squared equals 25. Then we're going to take the 25 and put it in our blanks here. Okay. Then we can kind of drop down, like if you were to factor the left side of the equation here, x equals 11 plus 25, which gives us 36. Okay, but if you remember, for this parentheses, it's whatever comes from your first step, the 5. So it's a positive 5, so you want to put a positive 5 in your parentheses. Then you're going to solve for x. So to get x by itself first, you have this exponent that we need to get rid of first. So to get rid of that, we take the square root of both sides. So then you're left with x plus 5 equals, and the square root of 36 is 6. We want to remember to do plus or minus 6, because positive 6 times positive 6 can give us 36, or negative 6 times negative 6 can give us 36. So always remember to leave the plus or minus. Then the next step would be to subtract this 5 from both sides. So you're going to have x equals negative 5 plus or minus 6. And you can leave your answer like that if you want, or you can say x equals negative 5 plus 6, which that would give us a positive 1, or x equals negative 5 minus 6, and x equals negative 11. Either way, it doesn't matter. The most important thing here, just remembering to put your blanks in there, and that this number right here comes from this first step right here. Let me know if you have questions, if this was helpful. Try to do the questions in your review packet and let me know.